Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, we will be discussing how to perform Tahajjud prayer correctly in Islam. Tahajjud is a voluntary prayer that is performed at night after the Isha prayer. It is also known as the night prayer or the prayer of the later night. I have divided this video into two parts, and there's a special tip at the end of the video, so don't miss it out. Why Tahajjud is so important. Tahajjud prayer is a great way to connect with Allah and ask for His forgiveness and guidance. It is also a time to reflect on our lives and make dua for ourselves and our loved ones. Tahajjud prayer can help us to overcome our challenges and stay motivated in our deen. It can also help us to improve our character and become better Muslims. If we are consistent with Tahajjud prayer, we will be rewarded greatly by Allah in this life and the next. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The one who prays Tahajjud will have a greater understanding of the Quran." Tahajjud prayer can also help us to improve our sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. It is a time when our hearts are most open to receiving guidance from Allah. Tahajjud prayer is a powerful way to show our love and devotion to Allah. It is a way to thank Allah for all His blessings. Tahajjud prayer can help us to overcome our fears and worries. It is a time to make dua for those who are struggling in their lives. Tahajjud prayer can help us to become more patient and tolerant. It is a time to ask for Allah's help in all our affairs. Tahajjud prayer is a gift from Allah and we should make the most of it. To perform Tahajjud prayer correctly, you will need to know these things. It is recommended to pray Tahajjud prayer in the last third of the night. Make wudu, ablution. Find a quiet place where you will not be disturbed. Face the Qibla, the direction of the Kaaba in Mecca. You can pray Tahajjud prayer individually or in congregation. Stand up and recite the opening takbir, Allahu Akbar. You can recite any surahs from the Quran during Tahajjud prayer. Perform 2 rakats, units of prayer. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to pray Tahajjud for up to 11 rakats. After you have finished praying Tahajjud prayer, sit down and make dua. Now comes tip. It is the hadith that we must know before performing Tahajjud prayer. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever prays Tahajjud and then says, 'O Allah, forgive me,' Allah will forgive him." Tahajjud prayer is a powerful and beneficial prayer that can have a positive impact on our lives. If we are able to make it a regular part of our routine, we will be rewarded greatly by Allah. I encourage you to start praying Tahajjud prayer today. Even if you can only pray for a short time, it will be worth it. Allah is waiting for us to turn to Him, and He is always ready to forgive us. I hope this video helps you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And do you have any question, just comment below.